What's up, Rated R Cars family? Ford just gave me $1,400 a year, every year, for the rest of my life. This is real, and I'm going to show you how you can hopefully get that much or even more. Let's do work. This all started with a little known secret, at least to me, when I went up to pick up my wife's Mach-E at Park Ford in Mahopac, New York. And I'm sure your local Ford dealer may do this as well, so be sure to check it out. Now bear with me until the end here, you're going to want to hear every single detail. So it all started when I was finalizing the purchase of the Mach-E, and a Ford rep came up to me and said, would you like us to try to save you money on insurance? I was like, don't even bother. I've got auto, motorcycle, and my homeowners through Geico. No one has ever been able to beat them. It's been like 20 years I've been with these guys. There's no way. I was like, there's no way you guys are going to beat Geico. But since I'm waiting for the Mach-E to be prepped, go ahead and knock yourselves out. Maybe you can find me 20 bucks off. Well, boys, I had no idea the surprise that was waiting for me. A veritable pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, I kid you not. A $1,400 per year pot at the end of the rainbow. Much to my extremely pleasant surprise, they were actually able to save over my auto, my motorcycle, and my home $1,400 per year. 1,400 big ones. That's like 14 Benjamins or Jacksons or Obamas or Trumps or something like that. You know what I mean? $1,400. Ceteris paribus. That means holding all other things constant. Here's a good place for some words of wisdom. $1,400 a year, like forevs, as in always. And unlike always, I'm not actually being silly right now. So let me get my calculator out. Let's say that I live for 40 more years. $1,400 times 40 more years is $56,000. Thank you, Ford. You guys are awesome. Seriously, I didn't have to lift a finger. So listen to all the details here. It's quite awesome that, it's on a very serious note, it's awesome that I walked in to buy a car and I ended up saving potentially like $56,000 or whatever without lifting a finger. They like literally did everything. So here's the details. So my home insurance was just a couple pennies under $2,000 per year with Geico. It's not actually Geico, but it's under Geico. It's on their website, but they go through another insurance. This one was Home Site Insurance. Just under $2,000 per year. My auto with them was $1,200 for 6 months for both the GT350 as well as the new Mach-E. And my motorcycle was $465 for the year. So here's what they got me. So for home insurance, we went with National General Insurance. It was done all through Ford, and the total price was not only $1,091, not only almost $900 a year cheaper, but it's better insurance. It actually has better coverage. Okay, so that's almost $900 in better coverage just from walking in the door of a Ford dealer. That's right, boys. $900 like that. Auto. Okay, my auto went from $1,200 with Geico to $963 for 6 months with Allstate Insurance. That's a savings of $474 per year. Not too shabby, Ford. Not too shabby. You make awesome cars and trucks, and now you're making me money. I love you guys. Motorcycle insurance went from $465 annually for 2 motorcycles to $418, or a savings of about 50 bucks per year. You add all that savings up and boom, I went in the door to buy an awesome car and I left with a lifetime of $1,400 per year savings. A penny saved is a penny earned, and that's $1,400 in my pocket for the rest of my life. Now again, if something happens in the insurance industry, blows up, or I don't have insurance, whatever, you get my point. It's a $1,400 savings versus what I'm paying right now, and I'm assuming I'm going to be driving and having a home and having motorcycles for the rest of my life. So it's like $1,400 a year for the rest of my life, and I find that to be exciting. And I couldn't wait to share that with the Rated R Cars family. If you guys have been sitting on your insurance for a really long time, I would actually head to Ford. Instead of even like making the calls yourself, I would like go to your Ford dealer and say, hook me up. You can even refer to this video if you want to. You have nothing to lose. Like, okay, so here's what they did. They handled everything for me. All I did was like give in my information. They called Geico. They did all the paperwork for me. They even canceled like my auto insurance and my motorcycle insurance. Geico did have to like give me a quick courtesy call to like get my permission to do this stuff. And I did have to make a call to the home insurance place. But Ford handled everything for me. They were texting me. It was like the most effortless $1,400 a year I have ever made. Thank you, Park Ford. You guys rock. I will definitely be coming to you as soon as the S650 comes out. I'm there, guys. So these guys are heroes in my eyes. So guys, don't resist just picking up the phone and making some calls to see if you can save money on insurance. Better yet, actually next time, I'll probably wait for a couple of years and then see how things go. And I'll just walk back into a Ford dealer and say, hook me up with insurance and see how much money those guys can save me. But for now, I'm super happy about this. That's like more than I make on YouTube in a year. You guys can help me by hitting the subscribe, hitting the like, hitting the share, and watching my videos over and over like 50 or so times per day. Alright guys, I truly hope that I'm able to help you guys out and save you guys some money as well. I certainly don't like overpaying for things, especially for insurance. So drop a like if you like this, hit the subscribe if you're new here, definitely drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, and until next time, always remember that motto, always be kinder than necessary. Like seriously guys, always be kinder than necessary. This world is messed up, especially now, it kind of seems like it's falling apart. Go out of your way to be kind. Here's a quick example of that. Yesterday I was driving on a nice windy road and I found a nice boulder about this size, probably about 3 feet in the road that someone would have definitely hit and someone would have definitely messed up their car or even made a motorcycle crash. So I turned my car around, I drove all the way back, parked it at the end of a driveway as close as I could, ran, I don't know, maybe 500 feet or more to take the rock, throw it into the woods, and go back. So just make sure you do that stuff. Take care of each other, people. All right, we'll see you in the next one.